Hello guys! Let's cook pork giniling. Katatapos ko lang mamalengke tapos nagpakulo ko ng itlog pugo at yung mga itlog na binili ko sa palengke. Tapos ito yung mga pinamalengke ko. Pork giniling 1 kilo. Tapos seasoning, magic syrup, black pepper, oyster sauce, asin, tomato paste or tomato sauce, patatas, carrots, siling, bell pepper, and then calamansi. Let's start cooking guys. May itlog bugo, saka egg, small and big. Tapos giniling, toyo, magic syrup, black pepper, asin, bell pepper, and then patatas, carrots, tomato paste, saka oyster sauce. Optional lang yung atswete. Cooking time. First I add oil, bawang sibuyas. Pinagsabay ko na kasi isa lang yan. At mag golden brown lang yung bawang at yung sibuyas. Okay na yan. Tapos igigisaan na natin ang giniling. Lagyan ko na siya ng tubig. Tapos kapag na golden brown or ganyan na yung color, okay na din yan. Tapos nalagyan ko na siya ng seasoning. After 30 minutes or 1 hour, I added the black pepper and then the magic syrup, optional, and then the salt, and then some seasonings. Ayan na. Tapos di ko na siya linagyan ng pork cubes, bay leaves. Yung pork cubes kasi medyo maalat. Depende sa taste buds. Tapos minix-mix ko. Tapos depende din kapag lalagyan nyo ng bay leaves. Optional din yan. Tapos calamansi to balance the taste. And then the soy sauce. And then I added a little bit of water para hindi siya masunog at lumambot ang giniling. And then the tomato paste. Optional lang yan kasi hindi na ako naglagay ng atswete na powder at yung seeds. Hindi na ako naglagay nun guys. Tapos pupulay naman yan guys. Tapos lagyan ko ng oyster sauce to balance the taste. And then I mix ko na yan. Kasi kumukulo na siya guys, baka masunog. Medium heat lang siya guys. Optional guys, added a little bit of sugar to balance the taste yan guys. Tapos mix natin hanggang ma-absorb na ng mga ginilingang mga flavors. And then I added all the vegetables. Patatas, carrots, at bell pepper or capsicum. And then a little bit of mix. Di na ako nag-add ng green peas or what do you call that? Raisins or cheese. Optional guys, I added a little bit of patis to balance the taste. Tapos after 30 minutes or 1 hour, this is it, the final result. Happy eating everyone. Thanks for watching. And I added a itlog, the pugo, and the egg, the chicken egg. Yun lang guys, kain na tayo. Thank you for watching and don't forget to smile while watching my cooking vlogs. Thanks for watching and don't forget to support all my channel, like, follow, comment, and share for more video. Love you all.